Lower segment is symmetric about the center line. Upper is almost symmetric but shifted right. See, this axis is a bit shifted from the lower segment center line. While sketching a profile, you normally draw straight lines, but if you hold the left click, it switches to a tangent arc. Then, when you release the mouse, it continues with straight lines again. These fillets have different sizes. To change them, first remove the symmetry constraint. Contact constraints speed up your sketching by automatically applying the most suitable contact constraint based on the selected geometry, especially when applying several constraints one after another. These two lines share a symmetry constraint, so giving a horizontal constraint to just one of them is enough. To temporarily disable Smart Pick, just hold Shift. This way, you can click everywhere you want without interference. But when you want the constraints to be applied using Smart Pick, holding Shift will temporarily disable it, and the constraints won't be applied. So in that case, it's better to zoom in on the area you need to work on to reduce unwanted snaps.